Insect killing methods can vary based on the species, the purpose of the collection or preservation, and the desired outcome. Here are the most humane and effective methods for killing insects, often used in entomology and insect collection. Freezing. Freezing is one of the most humane and commonly used methods for killing insects, especially for delicate species like butterflies and moths. Place the insect in a small container or plastic bag and put it in a freezer. The cold temperature will slow down the insect's metabolism, eventually causing it to die without suffering. Usually, freezing for 1 to 3 hours is sufficient. After freezing, leave the insect to thaw before pinning or mounting it to avoid damaging its delicate features. Ethanol, or alcohol, is often used for preserving smaller insects or those that need to be stored in liquid. The insect is placed in a small container filled with 70 to 95% ethanol. The alcohol kills the insect quickly by dehydrating and suffocating it. It typically kills insects within a few minutes. Quick and effective, ethanol also preserves the insect's body for later study. Use a container large enough to fully submerge the insect, but avoid overcrowding. Cyanide is a fast-acting poison that kills insects almost instantly. However, it is a toxic substance and should only be used by professionals or those with training in its safe handling. Cyanide gas is released into a small container or chamber, where it quickly incapacitates the insect. Insects are typically killed within a minute or two. Very quick and effective for preserving insect specimens, especially in scientific settings. However, cyanide is highly toxic, both to humans and insects. It should only be used with extreme caution, and proper ventilation is necessary. Avoid using cyanide if you're not experienced. Instead, consider safer alternatives like freezing or ethanol. Hot water works well for larger insects, especially those that might not be harmed by freezing or alcohol. The insect is placed in hot water, not boiling, for 30 to 60 seconds. The heat quickly incapacitates the insect and causes death. Effective for larger insects or those with thicker exoskeletons. Ensure that the water is not too hot, generally between 45 to 50 degrees Celsius or 113 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, to avoid causing damage. Carbon dioxide, or CO2, is often used in entomology and is a preferred method for killing insects humanely. The insect is placed in a sealed chamber or container filled with CO2 gas. The gas displaces the oxygen, causing the insect to lose consciousness and die without suffering. Insects typically die within 10 to 15 minutes. CO2 chambers can be purchased or DIY designs can be found for small-scale use. Suffocation involves placing the insect in a small jar or container with a tightly sealed lid. As oxygen runs out, the insect will slowly lose consciousness and die. The insect eventually suffocates due to the lack of oxygen in the container. This method can take several hours to a day, depending on the species. This is more of a last resort method if quick preservation isn't necessary. Electrical stunning uses low-voltage electrical current to stun and kill an insect. It's typically used for larger insects like bees or wasps. A controlled electric current is passed through the insect, stunning it and causing death quickly. This method is more commonly used in research or pest control settings rather than for general insect collection. Thanks for watching Entomovision. Stay tuned for the next video.